Good afternoon. It is September the 19th, 2017. Time to wrap up the day and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made in any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into the E-mini today liking it. To buy 99s to 01s. A limit buy against yesterday's high volume number at 02 was the trade of the day. The low is 125 right here. Again, we're just put into a position of buying into weakness, getting something on and disappearing for a couple of 3 hours. The tendency for the market into FOMC announcements is to rally. Tomorrow on the announcement day, the tendency is to rally, take quick profits, then to close on new highs. And the Fed's expected to show maybe another interest rate increase in December, and the beginning of the liquidation of their balance sheet to the tune of $10 billion a month. Now, they have $4.5 trillion in assets right now. $10 billion a month, that's $120 billion a year. It would take 4 years and you'd still have 4.1 trillion in assets sitting on the Fed's balance sheet. So if this is what the number is, it's really almost meaningless when you get right down to it. Okay, taking a look at the F1 screen. Inside day, trade it. I think that's what we'll probably see tomorrow. Looking at the F2 screen. Definitely a P, find a place to buy it. So the buck to 02 by 1. 95, 97 by 2. Sell failure at 06. 9 to 11, sell 2. Tomorrow's news, existing home sales, 5.48 million. Could come in lower than forecast. Then the crude inventory numbers. And again, I don't think anybody can place a lot of meaning with the APIs or the EIA inventory numbers here for a week or two. Looking at the 10-year, Treasuries are trying to trade lower. If they come in with an announcement of more than $10 billion bucks a month liquidation, then they could sell. And if they come in with a another interest rate increase in December, Treasuries can sell further. So lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it on F1. Definitely a B. So a structural sell right here would be selling 126 and a half. So 26 even to 26.04, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. Buy side headed a little bit lower, 25, 29. Won't break till the Fed mentions, or shouldn't break until the Fed speaks tomorrow. Then 17s to 21s. So they're running the note in the bond down into the FOMC announcement. If it is as expected, we should get a little relief rally. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, last rotate up stopped at 7, so 8 to 12 is 1. Sell 15s to 19s. 23 to 27 for sell 2. The support side, 53.30 to 02, number 1. We'll buy 24s to 28s. And 16s to 20s for buy 2. Gold held today. The low volume number is 1307. It was a sell into the close. We have an inside day here. Trade it on the F1 screen. On the F2 screen, we recovered. We thought we would close at 12. Market popped up to close at 17, so 14 to 16, sell 1. 18 to 20, sell 2. 9 to 11, buy 1. 5 to 7, buy 2. Expect low volatility and not much range until the Fed speaks tomorrow afternoon, and maybe we'll have a shot at our Newsday trade. Crude, have the APIs tonight. Again, I don't see how anybody can attach much significance to the numbers here this week and next week. Famous last words. So, kind of stuck in a range here on the F1 screen. Trade it. And definitely have a B here. Tomorrow is expiration. October comes off the board, so perhaps a little lower here. 50 to 75, buy 1. 49 even, 49 and a quarter, buy 2. On the sell side, I'm going to make it 50 and a quarter, 50-50. Give it a little bit of room because of the APIs tonight. Then 50-75, 51 where we were this morning. Got news, so we'll see what happens. And the euro's been all over. Higher low, higher high. Still pointed higher on F1. So late, we've got to move out of the middle in J period. And I'm guessing we're headed higher in London, so 65, 75, sell 1. Then the buck, sell 2. On the buy side, 30 to 40. And then 10 to 20 for buy 2. So that's it for the 19th. We had a huge speech day for Trump at the UN. He will be condemned around the world, pole to pole, and all the way around the world by pretty much everybody. But he's a big boy. He can take it, and he probably knew that before he put it on. See y'all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.